I got married in Nigeria last year, and I wanted to know your advice because I know it's going to be a year or 2 years if I put in the
Probably
I-130.
2 years.
And I wanted to know if you advise, he's trying to file for a visiting visa.
Well, if you put in an I-130, he's definitely not going to get a visitor's visa. It depends. I would say it's unlikely to get a visitor's visa from Nigeria because he's going to have to say he's married to a U.S. citizen, unless he has a lot of ties back to Nigeria. And he's going to go in and he's going to say, I have no intention of living in the United States. I'm just going to visit my wife and I'm going back to Nigeria and I'm not living in the U.S., blah, 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 blah. Presuming that they believe him, well, then, yeah, but I would say that's going to be a hard sell. Unless he can get a visa appointment in a short period of time, I would tell you bite the bullet, start the I-130 as quickly as possible. And then one thing that you can do to try to speed things up is after the I-130 is filed and you get the receipt, you file for a K3 petition. And the K3 petition, which is done on an I-129 form, is an application to allow your husband to come into the United States and wait for his I-130 to be processed in the U.S.
How long after I put in the I-130 I can do that?
As soon as you get the receipt back for the I-130, you can put in for the K3. And a lot of times, that makes the case speed up.
All right? Okay. Thank you so much.